A security breach occurs when sensitive or confidential data is leaked, stolen, or destroyed by an unauthorized individual, a hacker. This security breach can be avoided in general by concentrating on the elements of information security. What are the elements of information security? Let us take this scenario of an online purchase of a t-shirt. Usually, one logs into the shopping website and adds it to the cart for purchase. When it comes to the payment part, the control is transferred to a third-party application that connects to the bank. What if an attacker is able to sniff your bank account password at this point? The confidentiality of the data is lost here, which is the first element of information security. Let's say you have placed your order and paid for it, but in the bill you find the delivery address to be a different one. Uh-oh, what happened? An attacker pushing himself between you and the server has tampered with the data and made the delivery address data point to his own address. The integrity of the data is lost here, which is the second element of information security. If an attacker is not able to fiddle with the first two elements of information security, they execute attacks like denial of service that would bring down the server, making the website unavailable to legitimate users. The availability of the data is lost here, which forms the third element of information security. These three elements form the CIA triad. Apart from these elements of the information security system, there are two more concepts that security relies on. They are authentication and non-repudiation. In the very same example of the online purchase, the authentication of a trusted user can be ensured by issuing an OTP to the user's mobile number. It ensures the conformity of a trusted source. Non-repudiation is a byproduct of authentication, which ensures that the data sent to and fro between the communicating parties originated only from the parties involved in the communication.